We have an official release date and we have some pricing for you guys that'll help you make your decision on if you want to buy the DJI Mavic 3. So definitely make sure you watch this video all the way to the very end. Before we get started, I want to tell you guys real quick about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that'll help you grow your YouTube channel. It's what I've been using to grow this YouTube channel, so I definitely recommend it. You can try it for free. I have a link in the description below. So I'm a little late, but some of you may not know, a lot of crazy information leaked surrounding the Mavic 3, and we're getting it a lot sooner than expected. We're also finding out that there's going to be 3 options to choose from when purchasing the Mavic 3. So let's get into that first. Option number 1 is going to be the standard DJI Mavic 3 with 1 battery and the basic remote. Option 2 is going to be the Fly More kit, which usually comes with 2 batteries, a carrying case, and some other useful accessories. And option number 3 is a cinema package, and the cinema option is said to come with the new DJI Smart Controller, which will release alongside of the DJI Mavic 3. If you haven't seen the pictures of the drone yet, this is what it looks like on the screen. It's definitely got that dual camera design, with the top camera being the zoom camera and the bottom camera being the wide angle camera. So let's talk about pricing for those 3 different variations. Before I do get into that, I just want to say that I think that this is subject to change, and definitely take this with a grain of salt because we don't know if this is the true pricing. It very well could be. So for the regular Mavic 3, we're looking at a price tag of $2,000 US. For the Mavic 3 Fly More combo, we're looking at a price tag of $2,749. And for the Mavic 3 Cinema Premium Combo is what they're calling it, you are going to be looking at a price tag of $4,500. So definitely very expensive, definitely not a consumer drone. This is definitely along the line of professional stuff. This is definitely a very high-end drone, high-end camera, and it's not going to be something for the masses. And I think that's what a lot of people miss, because I've seen after these prices have leaked, a lot of people up in arms about the price and being like, I would never pay for that. That's something that I could never afford. I don't want that. But honestly, if you're saying that, then chances are this drone isn't for you. This drone is for a very specific person. Anything Air 2S, like DJI Mavic Air 2S and below that, is for consumers. This Mavic 3 is not for consumers. So I just want to make that clear. And so you're probably wondering which one I'm going to get. And to be honest with you, I'm probably going to get either the regular Mavic 3 or I'm going to get the Mavic 3 Fly More combo. I most likely will just go straight for the Fly More combo just because I'm going to end up needing extra batteries anyway, and I'm going to end up needing a carrying case for it. So to me, it probably is just a better idea to just go with that Fly More combo right off the bat. It's not the drone that we originally thought we were going to get with interchangeable lenses, but it is definitely a very solid looking drone, and DJI always delivers. I don't care what anybody says, they have great products. So now let's talk about the release date, because it's coming a lot sooner than we thought. Originally, we thought it was going to be the first quarter of 2022. Then we thought it was going to be November 15th. And now we're hearing that it's going to be October 20th. So that means any day now after watching this video, the drone could be announced. So make sure if you're watching this, if you haven't seen the announcement yet, go and check DJI's website, because the drone could very well be announced at this point. I know I'm a little late. I'm 5 days late from the news of the drone being released on October 20th. So yeah, this is very exciting. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to make a rumor video about the DJI Mavic 3. This could very well be my last rumors video about this drone, which is crazy because I've been making these videos for so long, and these videos have brought so many new viewers to this channel. So if this is the last DJI Mavic 3 rumors and leaks video, I just want to thank you all for supporting me, subscribing to the channel. I do make money from YouTube. It's not like life-changing money, but it's definitely money that helps me. It wouldn't be possible for me to do any of this without you guys. So to anybody subscribing today, or to anybody that's been subscribed for a while, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.